Over 40 persons have been detained in major operations in the corporate area as states of public emergency have been declared in Kingston Western and Kingston Central police divisions. This as gang warfare and extortion are posing serious risks to public safety. Extortion is even threatening a multi-billion-dollar road project being carried out by the government. We have reactions to the newly declared SOEs in a moment, but first, the announcement at Jamaica House.
On the advice of the security forces, I have recommended to the Governor General that a state of public emergency be declared in the Kingston Central and the Kingston Western police divisions.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness declaring 2 more states of a public emergency for 14 days. Boundaries include sections of East Avenue, Maxfield Avenue, Rousseau Road, Slipe Road, Hero Circle, South Camp Road, and Port Royal Street.
This will connect the states of public emergency existing in the Kingston East and St. Andrew South police divisions, creating an effective security corridor along the waterfront from Bull Bay in the east to Ferry in the west.
Why? Same reasons, but equally compelling. Criminal activities have increased. Gang wars have intensified. If left unchecked, the Prime Minister says things could spiral as some gangs have joined forces, even crossing geographical boundaries.
This presents the possibility of super gangs emerging through collaboration, and this creates a platform for the insemination of more nefarious and foreign criminal activity.
In justifying the SOEs, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says murders and shootings in Kingston and St. Andrew account for roughly 42% of the island-wide total. Over 580 murders have been reported since the start of the year.
There are currently about 48 gangs, 50% of which are actively engaged in violent conflicts in the division. Similarly, in neighboring Kingston Central Division, there are some 32 gangs actively engaged in violence and violent conflicts.
Extortion is also increasing in market districts and threatening the multi-billion-dollar South Coast Highway Improvement Project as work has begun on the Harbourview to Bull Bay leg.
That we will not allow criminals or politically connected persons to extort, hold up, or otherwise threaten the work in this area in any way. This is a national project, and the government will deal decisively with anyone who seeks to disrupt or otherwise interfere with the smooth operation of this road development project.
We are seeing a much more coordinated attempt by criminal enterprises across Kingston and St. Andrew to coordinate their activities and create a much more unified response to how they make their illegal gains from these commercial areas.
The police commissioner thanked citizens for providing information to the cops and urged them to continue. He insists other policing strategies, including surveillance and the use of technology, are being fully utilized to help control crime.
The use of states of public emergency has never been intended to be an alternative to other policing strategies. However, at the moment, there are too many people being killed, and we have to intervene in this manner.
Sunday's declaration has brought the total number of SOEs in Jamaica to 9. Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, Clarendon, and St. Catherine are still on the states of public emergency.